She has taken that ceremonial vow to prepare her to utter the Shahada. Ashhadu an la ilaha illallah wa ashhadu anna Muhammadan Rasulullah.
Hello Muslim friends of the world. The Western world's interest in Islam seems increasingly unstoppable. As seen in Argentina, they are willing to queue to get real information about this religion. This scene was seen at the King Fahd Mosque, Argentina recently. There are so many people curious about Islam that the number of visitors has to be regulated in such a way. After investigating, apparently the mosque management was holding several agendas about Islam, starting from showing documentary films about Islam, which attracted quite a lot of interest from visitors. Thus, several groups were forced to queue to enter the area inside the mosque. Many of them were curious and wanted to see firsthand the prayer activities carried out by Muslims. The activity was continued with a short study of Islamic teachings which closed with a question and answer session. Suddenly, the Argentinians immediately seized this opportunity. The mosque administrator initially explained the pillars of Islam and the pillars of faith. Then, it was also explained that Jesus was a prophet who had a special position in Islam, including that his mother was believed to be a holy woman. On that occasion, one of the Argentinian women asked the mosque administrator whether Islam also has a head, leader, like the church. "No, we only have Allah and the Prophet Muhammad. All Muslims are the same," said a sheikh who attended the activity. He then explained that the sheikh is a guiding teacher in Islam. He is the same as a teacher. Sheikhs in Islam are the same as other normal people. They can marry, they can have families. It's not like in Catholicism, where priests